what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with my February kit lineup. As usual, I'm doing the absolute most for no fucking reason, and I'm very stoked about this lineup and I cannot wait to show y'all. But really quickly, before I get into February, I am going to update you on the grid spread from last month because I know a lot of y'all were curious to see how that was gonna turn out. And oh my God, y'all, it is so fucking sick. So this is how that base turned out. To be honest, I'm not really sure how well it's picking up under the studio lights, but in person, it's so fucking sick. And I just like can't stop staring at it. I did post a reel with it and y'all went feral. So if it's not picking up well under these lights and you want to see it in all its glory, go check out my Instagram. It should be the last reel that I posted. I don't think I've posted anything since then. So yeah, I'm obsessed with how that turned out. I will absolutely be doing more of that in the future. Okay, so hopping into the lineup here. I am so unbelievably stoked for this lineup. It's so fucking sparkly. I'm hype. So it's actually not really that lovey-dovey this year. I just wasn't feeling a full month of Valentine's for some reason this year. And I liked a lot of the Valentine's art that came out, but there were just other kits that I wanted to use in February more. So yeah, without further ado, first for the week of January 30th through February 5th, I am using the SPC 8-year bundle, which I love this kit so much. I've waited so long to use it. The second I saw this kit, I knew that I wanted to use it in February, so I've just been waiting so fucking long to use it, and I'm so stoked that the time is finally here, and it's just so cute. For foil, I'm using the Hollow Y2K bundle that came with it for the overlays, and then for the fun foil, I'm using the Luxe Flower from PlanWithMeStickers. So I've got a sheet of Funderlays in a light purple, and then I've got another sheet of Funderlays in lime because I really want to play up the greens in the kit, so we're going a little lime heavy. So I've got the Funderlays and then the 15 millimeter and the header overlays in lime as well. So that is everything for that spread. For the week of February 6th through the 12th, I am using the June 2022 Mystery from SPC. This is another kit that I immediately knew I wanted to use in February the second I saw it, and this is the week that we are going wedding dress shopping for one of my friends. She just recently got engaged, and loving ice cream is her entire personality, so it just worked out well to use this kit for that week. So for foil, I'm using the Alicia Craft ice cream foil in Champagne Lights. So I've got the 15 millimeter drip washi, which I thought would be super cute to have like dripping above the dates. So I've got that, and then I've got the tall boxes, regular boxes, and then like the headers and bottom washi, and then the add-on sheet. So basically all of the overlays are going to be in the Champagne Lights, and then the underlays, I really wanted to pull in like this really beautiful turquoisey blue. So I foiled those in this foil called Lagoon Blue. It's a pretty close match, and I think that it's going to look so freaking cute. And I probably will layer Champagne Lights bougie boxes with this because I do want like a little sparkle, because this is a pretty flat foil, well, it's not like flat, it's just not like super shiny. It's more of like a satiny finish than like a glossy finish. I've had this lagoon foil in my collection for like the longest time, at least like a year at this point, and it's so pretty, but I've just never had the opportunity to use it. So I think that this is like the perfect kit to use it with, and I'm very, very stoked to see how that one turns out. So the next week, which is Valentine's week, February 13th through the 19th, I am using, if I can get it out, XOXO by SPC. This is probably, hopefully, question mark, going to be a very exciting week for me personally. I'm a little hesitant to talk about it right now, which I know is like annoying, but I'm a little hesitant to talk about it right now because I don't want to like jinx anything, and it's not 100% set in stone yet, but it's like 99.9% set in stone. But y'all will be the first to know. It's nothing that any of y'all are going to care about, but it's very exciting for me. It's not soccer related, but I have found a way to make it soccer related. But anyway, this is the only Valentine's art that I bought this year, and I just think it's so stinking cute. I love it so much, and I think it's really going to fit the whole vibe of the week. And I'm getting a little spicy with this foil pairing, but I think it's going to be so freaking beautiful. So this one, I kind of like struggled foil wise, but then I was pulling this foil bundle for another kit, and I was like, oh, wait a minute, that sparkly mint actually looks beautiful with this. So I'm using the sparkly mint. Well, actually, I think it's called sparkly green in shop, but it's like the most beautiful sparkly mint color from SPC. It is a twinkle format, but like, y'all, I know it's like a little bit of a wild card pairing, but like, it looks so freaking cute. But then, since it is like Valentine's week, I did want hearts in some form, so I picked up the candy heart underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in the heart hollow. I don't think I've ever gotten a heart hollow before, but y'all, I'm obsessed. I might have to buy a roll if any of the sites I buy foil from have it, because I just feel like I'm about to be using this shit all the time now because it's just the cutest. So yeah, that is everything for that spread. It's a little bit of a wild card, but I think it's still gonna be very, very cute, and I cannot wait. So for the 20th through the 26th, I am using the Cherry Bomb kit from CaressPress, which was the December mystery, and fucking 10 out of 10 kit. Like, just absolute perfection. It had to be a February kit for me. It's like the perfect Valentine's Day, but not Valentine's kit. It's just perfection. And this is another fully wild card going rogue combo. So just hear me out, okay? So first, for the overlays, I'm just using the hollow cherry bundle that came with it because I didn't really feel like getting anything else, to be honest, and I think it's really cute and it's gonna look really cute with the kit. And then for underlays, it honestly probably goes without saying at this point, but I am using checkers. I'm using Sparkly Red from PlanWithMeStickers, and cherries would have been super cute. I know so many people are using cherries, but I bought these before all of the cherry underlays were released. So I didn't want to be wasteful, so I'm just sticking with the checkers because, like, literally when else am I going to use Sparkly Red checker underlays, you know, but I just think it's gonna be so freaking cute. Then we're not done, folks. This is questionable, but hear me out here, okay? So I did want to bring in some cherry, well, the bundle is cherry, what am I talking about? I wanted to bring in some fun cherry foil, we'll say. And I wanted to pull out the blues in the kits because I think it's super pretty with all the reds and the pink. So I did get the cherry 15 millimeter from PlanWithMeStickers in her ice, as well as the cherry header overlays. So yeah, that is everything for this spread. I know I say it a lot in my kit lineup videos, but this is either going to be the cutest thing ever or it's going to be fugly and there will be no in between. So we'll see how that goes. I will keep you posted. I'm gonna like sneak the first week of March real quick because I am doing like a Daisy Jones spread, and I know that some of y'all love Daisy Jones as much as I do. So I'm using this for the week the kit, not the week, what am I saying? The week the show premieres. So yeah, if y'all like Daisy Jones and want to do something to commemorate the show, here's some inspo for you. So I'm using the Stay Groovy kit by SPC, and then the pink tie-dye foil from PlanWithMeStickers. So I've got some quotes and then the daisy overlays and the confetti 4 overlays and then the rock on underlays. So that is just a quick rundown on that in case you also want to do a Daisy Jones spread and need some inspo. I will probably go into more depth in my March lineup, but yeah, very stoked for that. I think the pink tie-dye is going to be a whole vibe. Really quickly, I'm also going to show you my bases in my like pre-planner or my extra planner or whatever you want to call it. Y'all, February in this planner is just unhinged. This is my like experimental planner. I've done air quotes so many times in this video. I'm so sorry. But this is the planner that like I use it as like a pre-planner, but also it's just kind of like an extra planner to use kits and also like experiment with things to see if I want to like take them to the main planner. So anyway, the point is there's a lot of experimentation going on in February in this planner. So I don't know how well this is picking up on camera, but it's another one that looks so fucking sick in person. I did just post it on my stories earlier today and y'all are in my DMs freaking out, but this is a very, very, very old CaressPress kit called Cafe. And it has a lot of black and gold marble. So I really wanted to play into that, so I'll give you a close-up here, but I used the solid black underlays from PlanWithMeStickers, and then I layered gold marble over underlays from Alicia Craft, and then the overlays are just gold twinkle from SPC. Don't even look at that right now. Okay, this is the Control-Alt-Delete kit from SPC, and I used the XO underlays from PlanWithMeStickers in Hollow, which I think are so freaking pretty. And then the foil bundle is just Hollow Sparkle, I think, from CaressPress. And then this is just absolutely unhinged, but like it just looks so freaking cool. Again, I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person, it's just the most blinding, beautiful thing I've ever seen. I do acknowledge that this is absolutely unhinged behavior, but y'all know I love sparkle more than anything, so here we are. So this is the perfect game kit from CaressPress. The foil bundle is Champagne Lights, Sparkly Hollow, Mixed Metal from SPC, and then I'll give you a close-up on this as well. These underlays, I again used the solid underlays from PlanWithMeStickers, and I foiled those in Sparkly Hollow, and then I used checker underlays on top of that I foiled in Sparkly Gold. So that's that. I know it's unhinged. Don't at me. This week I used a very cute ice cream kit from Pink Diamond Planner Co. Foil for this kit was a little hard to figure out because the functional stuff was so much brighter and bolder than the art and like the full boxes and whatnot. So foil was a little tricky, but ultimately I did go with matte bronze. So I just used matte bronze confetti for the foil bundle from SPC. And then the underlays are the brick underlays from Plana Hannah, and I used those to kind of like pick up on like the brick in the kit. I thought that would be kind of cute. So yeah, that is the base for that week. So that is everything for my February lineup. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video was probably chaotic. I have not filmed in like a month. So sorry, but anyway, thank you so much for watching and hanging out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.